boys and girls, they and them, all of the other ones. Here we go. Wait, stop a second. Just stop. Just wait. Just give me 1 second. Okay, let me see everybody. Right, I get it. We're in Hawaii. Everybody's very chill. I'm really liking the atmosphere. You go some places, people are being pulled out of the crowd and it's dramatic. You guys are just chilling, enjoying the show, right? You guys are chill. You're a bunch of chill guys. I tell you who's not a very chill guy. I'm not a very chill guy. So we have to adhere to my rules a little bit, purely because I have a microphone. So, there's going to be an arc in the show that from now we're going to go up, and then we can go back to being Hawaiian and chill and cool, okay? I get it, and I love it. But you're gonna move now, all right? I think this might be your top, Polly. Or Gabby. Is it a girl's top? Anyway, sorry. Anyway. Jason, why are you in the crowd? You're the stage manager. What are you doing stood in the crowd? Get back here. Seriously, what are you doing? It's not a fucking night off. You're watching. Right. Okay. Right, you ready? Listen, what's this? Shush, shut up. Sounds like a smash hit to me, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah! We're gonna start with a little bit of singing. Here we go! Well, I know when you're around, 'cause I know the sound, I know the sound of your heart. Let me hear you. Well, I know when you're around, 'cause I know the sound, I know the sound of your heart. Come and leave what you made. Oh, baby, what's the time again? You said I got the problem with your shoes and your jeans, but I might move in. Thought that you were straight, now I'm wondering. So I can see that I said I love you. What does it matter if I lie to you? I don't regret it, but I'm glad that we did. So don't you tell me that you just don't get it. Let's go! When I know when you're around, 'cause I know the sound, I know the sound of your heart. When I know when you're around, 'cause I know the sound, I know the sound of your heart. It's not about separation, it's all about me. Sick of panic, face, glad you wanna be. There's so much skin to see. Simple Epicurean philosophy of it is. I can see it different in it either way. We left things to protect my mental health. Call me when you're bored and you're playing yourself. So I can see that I said I love you. What does it matter if I lie to you? I don't regret it, but I'm glad that we grew. So don't you tell me that you just don't get it. Sing it. Okay, here we go. On the count of 4, everybody's gonna jump. I don't care how cool you are, you're gonna fucking jump. 1,